Earthquake is a natural disaster. It's caused damage to both lives and infrastructure, costing daily both emotionally and economically. Unfortunately, these are the things that simply cannot be prevented. No one can defy the forces of nature. Recently, earthquake is occurred in Kodagu and Kerala. This leads to people lost their life and property, and also in the other countries too. This scenario is motivated us to do this project. However, what we can do is accelerate the mechanisms to help the citizens of the world deal with such disasters. This is the proposed system of cost-effective earthquake alert system. The cost-effective earthquake alert system consists of both hardware part and software part. The hardware part, an earthquake simulation platform, is constructed and installed with 3-axis accelerometer sensors and DC gear motor. The software part, LabVIEW, is programmed to record, monitor, and display the P-wave data. In the system design, the various earthquake simulations are generated by adjusting the PWM signals of DC gear motor, and using this generate the seismic wave of desired magnitude and measure the accelerations of seismic wave occurred on simulation platform using 3-axis accelerometer sensors. Next, record and observe the effects of seismic wave. If generated seismic wave is above the desired magnitude, alert message is sent through social media, that is Twitter. The developer system uses MyDAC as an interface device. This interfaces between the control computer and simulation platform. MyDAC is a data acquisition device, provides the functions to measure and analyze the signal anytime. The idea of this project is to harness an instantaneous response to an event and a potentially wide audience. This is the main program. The events-based state machine in the top loop is present because of the user interaction part of the project. That is, the drive and frequency of the shaker stepper motor can be manually altered by controls on the front panel. The acquired data is then queued with some enum data in the middle loop to then send to the bottom loop. Queuing the data ensures no data packet loss and ensures dangerous frequencies level would always be picked up based on whether a dangerous frequency is detected. The bottom loop responds accordingly. There are few different cases which exhibit the use of the Twitter API. The update Twitter details case is the case that must execute first, as it is the case that handles the authentication of alphanumerical key and secret inputted to access the Twitter developed account. The two codes, that is the Twitter open, needs to verify are the consumer key and consumer secret. It is the front panel. This case is the send tweet case, which uses the post tweet.vi to tweet based on a string input. And this is the block diagram. Added to the string control is the current data and time for alert purpose. This is control software. It is front panel. It shows MyQuake control and data collection. In this, we measure the P-wave data of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis by adjusting motor control, and set x, y, z axis of accelerometers. Accordingly, the chart is changed and frequency also record. Depending on these frequencies, the earthquake shaker shakes. Autonomously post early warning to social media. Many existing early warning systems rely on the public being able to hear an audible alert. This simple prototype proves that there are other options for issuing alert remotely. This project presents an industry-oriented simulation earthquake system platform by applying virtual instrumentation that can measure the P-wave. Compared with using other software, this graphical design tool is more friendly and powerful for users. This project work integrates basic technology, sensors and measurement device applications, advanced technology, virtual instrument into industry-oriented earthquake simulation system technology. The programmable features allow users to adjust the measurement function anytime, anywhere, and hopefully a lot of lives could be saved. Thank you.